The laser control hardware window is where you can see all the output devices connected to the software. This could be FP3 hardware or FP4 hardware. This window will open when new hardware is connected, or it can be opened by clicking Settings, Laser Control Hardware. Here you can see all connected output hardware. You can rearrange selected hardware up and down or remove hardware. The order you put your output hardware in this list will be the same in the bottom bar and this order in your projector settings window. When you connect new hardware to the system that the computer has never seen before, QuickShow will warn you that you should check those settings in the projector settings window. It's a good idea to do that when new hardware is connected, which we'll cover in the next video. Thank you for watching our Quick Hints video on the laser control hardware window in QuickShow. If you still need help, you can contact our support team by emailing support@pangolin.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.